our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Daredevil Season 4 likely might not happen even if Marvel gets the rights back. Back in 2013, Marvel Television and Netflix entered into an unparalleled deal destined to convey a handful of brutal vigilantes to the streaming career. The deal became an awesome success, a proper art till the instant all of it fell through. Netflix cancelled one collection after another, even pulling the plug on Jessica Jones earlier than Season 3 released. Netflix in no way introduced the motives for the cancellation, however, they have been possibly associated with a decline in viewing figures blended with converting company priorities. Back in 2013, Netflix became nevertheless new to generating authentic content material and they wanted mounted brands like Marvel to attract new subscribers. The Netflix logo is lots more potent now and successes like the Umbrella Academy have proved the streaming massive and not wish Marvel. Daredevil became the maximum popular and significantly acclaimed of all of the Marvel Netflix indicates. As a result, Marvel fanatics are pleased with the opportunity the man without fear may want to quickly make his MCU debut. But at the same time, as it's now no longer impossible, it's secure to anticipate Marvel's plans might not include Daredevil Season 4. Unfortunately, as disappointing because the cancellation of Daredevil may also be, the unhappy reality is that the display likely is not coming back. It's critical to don't forget this collection became advanced through Marvel Television. Now no longer Marvel Studios, and the connection among the two organizations have traditionally been pretty negative. Back in December 2018, there have been reviews antagonist professionals at Marvel Studios had determined they failed to need to convey Daredevil back. Things have been modified on account then, with Marvel Studios President Kevin Feige formally becoming Chief Creative Officer of Marvel Entertainment. The result has hardly ever been fantastic for the ones hoping for Daredevil Season 4 though. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Marvel Television has been wounded down and maximum in their indicates had been pulled. There's been no actual indication Marvel Studios has any hobby in preserving with Marvel Television projects, particularly ones that have been cancelled someplace else and have not been airing for 2 years. The upward thrust of Disney Plus does not assist topics. The new streaming carrier is Disney's using company priority. They paid $71.3 billion on the way to gather the majority of Fox's movie and TV empire, in large part in any try to improve its content material library. And exec bonuses had just been adjusted to recognition on subscriber numbers. Daredevil Season 4 might be a negative in shape for the sort of family-pleasant carrier. This means that it would be relegated to Hulu. Disney might maximum possibly select Marvel to be focusing on Disney Plus instead. Making topic worse, the distribution rights to the primary 3 seasons of Daredevil will maximum possibly take a seat down on Netflix in perpetuity, which means a 4th season might technically improve what has now come to be a chief Disney competitor. It does not make commercial enterprise sense. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.